Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Cheers, Katie.
Cheers.
Have some wine.
I will, but I've never had,
So
I was not finished with my glass before, and then you topped me off with another type of wine, so I've never had the mixed wine before, so that's
Wait,
new.
that's just two different types of wines.
Yeah,
A
I
mixed
just have
wine.
one at a time.
You never gone to the store and bought like a red blend?
Oh, is that what that is?
Wow.
Like
Called a
different
blend.
wines?
Yes. We're not here to talk wine.
Anyways.
Katie, she's blonde.
I didn't know that.
We love her. She's beautiful. She's
Well,
blonde.
then I love it. I am beautiful. Thank you.
You are beautiful. Cheers.
Sorry.
Hey guys, we have listened to your requests.
Yes.
We have been blown away by all of your responses. Did we say this a few times ago? It took a little over 2 years to get 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
At the time, I was just doing the channel by myself.
And then I came
Then
in
I
and
brought in
changed
the
the
beautiful
whole
blonde,
thing up.
and it blew up. But literally since October of last year, this past week, doing this video today, just a couple days ago,
Yeah.
today, we are over 12,005.
You guys.
Cheers to that.
Well, that and to you guys.
And to you guys
that means
for making
the
that
world
happen.
to us.
We have been listening, and you've been telling us what to do, what
Yes.
to
What to
react
react
to.
to.
I was saying respond. React to,
sharing with your friends.
subscribing, all the things, and we are just blown away.
Yes.
So
And y'all have been giving us so much great
yeah.
stuff to look up too. So thank you for that.
Yeah, so and introducing us to artists that we don't know everyone around the world.
Right.
We can't. So it's been really fun. But we did a poll just a couple days ago.
Just did a poll.
What we should do next. And again, great response. Thank you
Yes.
for engaging, all of you that did. BTS won that poll as of now when we're doing this video.
Yes.
So we're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it.
Another Tiny Desk live. I think they were, from what I read something on this, because I didn't know where, because it obviously they're not the NPR studios
Right.
in New England. So I was like, where are they? So they did this obviously during COVID, and it's in South Korea at a record store.
Oh,
yeah, so
I
that's a cool little
love
tip. I
that.
didn't know.
Ooh, that takes it back a little bit.
Yeah, so here we are, spring day,
Spring day. Let's do it.
although it's fall,
It is fall.
my favorite season. And your guys' favorite
It's been the
band.
roughest summer ever. But we know that spring will come. So let's go together. Let's go. 보고 싶다. 이렇게 말하니까 더 보고 싶다. 너의 사진을 보고 있어도 보고 싶다. 너무 약속한 시간. 나는 우리가 믿다. 이제 뭘 한번 보는 것조차 힘들어진 우리가. 여긴 온통 겨울뿐이야. 8월에도 겨울이 와. 마음은 시간이 달려가는 홀로 남은
Attitude.
설국 열차. 네 손 잡고 지구 반대편까지 가. 겨울을
He's zoning out and thinking about something.
얼마나 눈처럼 내려 그 봄날이 올까.
Such a pretty tone.
Okay, pause it real quick. Okay, so for one thing, I love hearing this in their language. Like, oh my gosh, it's incredible.
Oh,
And
it's so good. Point made here. Wherever you're from, your native tongue will always be your best song.
Yes.
Always. Don't deny it.
Yes.
I don't care how cool you want to be, how much you want to be a big star in the US or England or wherever. I'm not saying don't sing in English for sure.
Right.
If you want to do that, do that. But your native tongue will always be strongest.
Yes, it is your origin. It is
You just
who
know the
you
little
are.
nuances. You know, all
Yes.
those little things that make it just in the pocket.
Yeah.
And that's what we're hearing here.
1,000%.
It's so
'Cause
good.
Even the articulation
Yeah.
with English versus Korean is just, I mean, holy cow.
Well,
They're
even just
incredible.
they're super confident guys always. But there's a different level of confidence right here.
1,000%.
That comes across in that vocal.
Yeah.
They just know it.
But I love how it starts very grounded and deep, and then it starts to lighten up and brighten up, which makes me think of, seasons
Spring.
changing, all of that.
Good.
So, yeah, right?
You don't even speak Korean.
I don't, but, well, there is
You're
translation.
learning. His voice is great. And they all are. I really like his tone.
Ooh, that back and forth is nice.
Katie, will you speak in just real quick that tell people what that is, because I hear a lot of people doing it that is overdone or they pick up strain.
Yeah.
They're doing it tastefully though.
So tastefully. What they're doing is literally, it's almost like a light mix, and they're adding just a little bit of breath over it. So they're still staying on top of the pitch, and they're not doing this and reaching for it.
Bingo.
And what happens
Key point.
is the chords come apart when you do that, because we have to breathe, right? So when we breathe, our chords come apart, but when we sing, we want chord closure, so we want equal ultimacy between muscle coordination and airflow. So what they're doing is getting a nice edge coordination, a nice light coordination, breathing on top of that tone, and it makes it for a effortless and gorgeous sound. And healthy.
You know what you're talking about.
Thank God.
Yeah. No, it's so
You called me out, too.
I did. No, it's just really good, and that's why it sounds so tasteful and not like strain. You'll know the difference if you pay attention.
And you can also, if you close your eyes and try to feel, like, visualize where you would feel their voice in the anatomy of your body, you would feel it right here. Right in that mask of the face.
Oh, there. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, back to the song.
Right here. I love the back and forth.
I do too. It's cool. Why are they all so pretty?
I mean, I literally was just looking at their skin.
What's their skin regimen? That's what I'm thinking too. Can we have like a skin ad here? Someone sponsor us? Ooh.
He has so much energy. I love it. He is so cute.
So cute. I love the band behind him too. Oh, that's good.
Good bring back.
Yeah. I want that orange suit.
You know what? This is the first time that he's actually gotten in a little bit deeper with the breath instead of being so bright in his tone, which I love his tone. Oh my gosh. But he started in a little bit more in that more like a deeper hoot in his voice. So I love that he did that. It's
another notch.
Different.
Yeah, it's cool. Good point.
That back and forth again.
So many different little,
Yeah.
like. Oh,
I
yeah.
like that.
So natural. That was cool.
I think he might be my favorite.
Yeah, him. He's good.
He's so good.
I like this guy because I want that orange suit. No, this guy. The orange suit.
Oh, the full orange.
Full orange. So good.
I've gotten a little bit lost with them, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
All right, guys. All right. Okay, together. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, you're welcome.
Wow.
You're
Oh my
welcome.
gosh.
Thank you.
Okay, for one thing,
Dang.
they literally were just talking about weather
I know.
or change, season change.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
You know what I love about it? We were so lost in what
We
they
were
were
completely
doing.
lost.
The visual, the vocals, the tones, and all of it.
Yeah.
I was not concerned with the song at all.
Yeah.
Like the actual lyric, because
Yeah.
we're having to look at the subtitles, obviously. And I would get moments to know what's happening, but I was so taken away by
Yeah.
what they did. It was so good.
Yeah, agreed. Agreed.
Yeah.
You
Wow.
guys have sold me. I'm one that very much likes to, when something's very popular, I'm like,
Me?
oh, I'm not going
Are
to get
you
into
serious?
What? Did we just become best friends? Yep.
it. This is why we're
I did not know you about that.
Yet.
I did not know that about you.
I did not know you about that.
I did not know that about you. That's how I am.
No, so when
I am not a bandwagon person.
Yeah, when people are so into something, I'm like,
Nah.
okay, have your time, do your thing.
Yeah.
When I'm ready, I will look into this or whatever. And so when we watched our first video, I've heard of
BTS.
I've heard of Butter. I've listened to
yeah.
Butter
Yeah.
some on the radio.
Yeah, I cook with it.
But then when I watched the video and actually got a taste of them and their personalities, then I was sold. And then you guys started commenting and bringing us
I
into the
know,
world
and now
with you.
we're
Now I'm a
huge
fan.
fans. We have to go to their show.
So yeah. Oh my gosh. And you know I will be head whipping at that show.
Oh gosh, so hard.
So hard.
hard.
But I'm a huge fan, and you guys are to thank because I like to be on the later part of the
Yeah. No, I'm with you.
wagon.
I'm with you. We're huge fans.
Huge fans.
This was
Sold.
really good. Really good.
What is his name? I need it. I know y'all
good.
will tell me, but
Yes, tell us all
I
their
said
names.
my favorite
That's
was
actually really
because-
good. Comment right now by what they're wearing, their names, because we haven't done the deep dive that far
we've
yet.
not.
So take us on the journey. We know you each have your favorite. Let us know who your favorite is
pink
too.
the pink silk shirt is my fave.
Yeah, she loves him.
I think he's so.
I like the full
cute.
orange suit for some reason, but all of them.
We're the bookends.
We are.
We're the bookends.
God, look at us again. Here's what's going to happen right now. We are going to go do a skin regimen because that skin on these BTS
Perfect.
boys.
Perfect.
I'm not.
We're
gonna
getting carried away.
I'm not going to sleep tonight.
We're getting carried away. Share this with your friends. Comment what else you want us to watch when it comes to BTS and other artists as well that you guys love.
Yes.
Make sure to, again, share with your friends, have them subscribe. Keep us going up in those numbers because it's because of you guys that this is happening.
Truly.
Yeah.
Until next time,
I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron. And we are
Vocalab
Vocalab.
Collective.
That's that huge scoop.